Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent the Sauna box. Now this is a pentagonal shape of a sauna box, so this will be great for any corner in a room. I'm just going to install it up here so we can see all of the angles. It does have a 3-liter stainless steel steam box, which is fantastic. And it comes with a remote, so you can control everything from the inside of the actual sauna. It gets with a little chair, with a little carrying case for the chair that it folds up, so it makes this really nice, easy to use. You also get this nice little mat that's got a non-slip grip on the back. So when you do step out, you've got something nice and cozy to use. Got your instruction guide here to be able to put all of these pieces together and your insulated tent. So let's go ahead and put this together and then we'll try it out. All right, so just to show you the basic setup here, you have the shorter pieces here on the side. These are your C pieces. You've got a little bit of a longer piece, which is your D. And then you just use these little T pieces to connect them all in. Make sure they're facing the right way, so then you can add in the extra poles, but they just simply line up. You have your A pieces here. Then we are going to take the B pieces, which are the longest ones in the set, and make this the full box on the top. It's very easy to put together. I mean, it just slides all into place. Then we'll add in the next poles. Once we add that in, we've got our straight connector pieces to be able to add 2 B pieces on top of each other. And then at the top, we are just going to redo this, and then we'll add our box on. Now to put on the cover, you just start from the bottom. Now it's all gonna be on there pretty tight because you want this to be nice and taut on here, but you just put on the bottom and then you bring it up over the top, and then we will zip up all of the edges. All right, so I've got this thing going and I've actually got it already steaming, but I just wanted to show you how all this is set up. It does come with this really nice remote. Like I said, you can control it from the inside, where it actually has 9 different levels of heat that you can control just from this remote, as well as a timer that goes up to 99 minutes. Now you can also control it from here, but I've always used the remote. I think it works easier. You've got your nice area here that connects into a little tube here. And on the inside, you have your steamer box, which I will show you here. You can see it's already fogging up, which is great. On the outside, you have a little pocket if you did want to store your remote. It's a nice place to keep it. Open this up to get some air, and woo, look at the seam coming out. Let's close that up. Now your zipper goes all the way around here. You've got your nice area here to be able to go in. Like I said, the steam looks amazing in there. You've got your steamer box right down there at the bottom that just disperses all of the steam up. You've got your little chair in here, so you can easily sit in here. Now I'm 5'11", and I fit in here just right. My head's right at the top, all the way down. Get a nice little area to get yourself in here. Zip yourself in, because it does have a double zipper on here. So you can zip yourself in from the inside and the outside. Sit in here, have a nice little steaming session, and you are ready to go and get all rejuvenated.